Are you planning to apply for fall 25 intake in US? So here is everything you need to know about to be on track. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. I am Pranay Rawat, founder director of EduNirvana. So today we are going to discuss about the timeline for fall 25 intake for PG application. So application in US requires careful preparation. Let's begin. So starting from August, this time is dedicated for research and planning. Parallelly, you can start preparing for GRE, IELTS, TOEFL. Make sure you do the university shortlisting and based on that start your preparation. Many universities, they don't need GRE. So if you are applying to those universities where GRE is not needed, don't go for it. Make a choice among IELTS or TOEFL. Any one exam is needed. You can opt anyone. Now let's move to the second stage, which is application and their documentation part. So applying to US universities, you need transcripts from your university. So make sure the moment you start shortlisting university and programs, apply to your college or university for the transcript. So now let's discuss about how to do university shortlisting. This is going to be brief points. The very first point is research the area and field of study you want to do your masters. The second point is location of the university and campus life. Third point is alumni network. Fourth point is scholarship options. Fifth point may be that what exactly your professors have done or they are doing. Maybe you can see alumni network or the department reputation. So these are the pointers. Based on that, you can do university shortlisting. Now let's move to the timeline. We were talking about from August till September or late October. So these 3 months keep aside for your test preparation, which includes GRE and any one English proficiency test. So till October, you need to do parallel research, which we are talking about on university shortlisting and course selection. At the same time, you need to prepare for your test preparation. October onwards, you need to work on your documentation part. For example, CV, statement of purpose, letter of recommendations. Definitely by this time you get to know that how many recommenders or how many letter of recommendations you need, how many SOPs you need to write, whether only statement of purpose is needed or essay is needed, or maybe the diversity essay is needed. So this is the time where you need to work on your documents till October. From November onwards, there are many university priority deadlines. Like there's a time to submit application if you are aiming for priority deadlines, which means if you're applying on priority deadlines, you get the decision soon. Soon means maybe end of the December or January 1st or maybe January mid. So this is, make sure if you are aiming for the priority deadlines, you submit the application by November mid or first week. Apart from that, you can work on your applications till January. So most of the Ivy League, I am talking about Ivy League, which includes Princeton, which includes Columbia, which includes Cornell. So all these top universities, they have deadline till January first week. These deadlines are regular deadlines. Don't get confused or don't mix with priority deadlines. So far we have discussed when to start and when to apply. So in August, keep it for research and planning. September, October or maybe mid-November for your test preparation, and at the same time university shortlisting. November early, if you are aiming for priority deadlines, make sure you submit the application. And not to worry and don't fall in this trap. Many consultants or agencies, they push you that start now, and if you are not applying by the end of November you'll miss fall 25. Not to worry. Let me give you an example of few universities, including Ivy League universities. They have regular deadline till Jan first week. So for example, Stanford University, MIT, the deadline for MIT is 5th Jan. Stanford, 5th Jan. Harvard University, 1st Jan. University of Chicago, 2nd Jan. University of Pennsylvania, 5th Jan. California Institute of Technology, which is Caltech, 3rd Jan. So not to worry, don't fall in this trap. Many good universities, I'm talking about top 50 universities, you get deadline till January end or in some cases February first week. So this is the timeline to apply for the application, and the moment you're done with your application, start looking for scholarship options and external scholarships. So January is the month, or January late, where you can start applying for the scholarships once you're done with your application. February, March is a wait time, and make sure by this time you start analyzing the universities you have submitted your application and prioritizing those universities. After this, April onwards or March end, you start getting decisions. So the moment you start getting decisions, start applying for the loan if you are dependent on education loan, or start arranging your funds for I-20. For the May, make sure you apply for I-20, and by end of the May, start taking date or applying for the visa interview. So you get 2 visa dates. One is for OFC, which is your biometric, and one is for counselor appointment, which is visa interview. So by June and maximum July end, you should get your visa, because your course is going to start in the month of August. August? Many universities, they start their course in the maybe around 10 to 15th of August, and some universities around 20th of August. So this is the timeline for fall 25. Our next video, we're going to cover a lot of universities with the deadlines, their pros and cons. Make sure you comment below and give us feedback about this video, and what would you like to hear more from us. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.